Hi everyone, my name is John Moore. I grew up in Massachusetts. Both of my parents are deaf, and they both focused on oralism and speech and hearing at school. And the school I attended was called the Clark School. And every day we would work on speech and hearing as well, and lip reading too. And every year they had a special event that I was always excited for, and it was called the tag event, where you were not permitted to sign. You would keep your tag as long as you didn't sign, and if you had a tag on at the end of the day, you would get a prize. So one day when we were playing the tag game, my older brother, who's also deaf, waved at me saying hello, and they ripped off his tag because of that. But waving hello is a typical hearing tendency as well, so it wasn't fair. And then when I went to middle school, me and my brother never got a prize. I was very mischievous, but I have since been dehorned, as I like to call it. And in middle school, I would always be kept in a locked room by myself, and I would always be really bored. And one time I found a mound of paper clips, and there was also a chair. And with the paper clips, I built a barrier, and I connected it to the door and pulled the chair. And if you tried to open the door, the paper clips would go everywhere, and I thought it was really funny. So one day the teacher tried to open the door, and all the paper clips went everywhere. The chair broke, and she said if she has health problems, then it's my fault, like I caused the health problems. And I told her, what do you expect when you keep me locked in this small room every day?